This is a brand new 2014 Ford Flex. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a HomeLink feature, and Microsoft Sync. With it, you can play music on popular MP3 players and integrate Bluetooth-compatible phones, so you can talk while keeping both hands on the steering wheel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Sound Ford is located at 101 Southwest Grady Way in Renton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.